Take a good look at this channel. You can see that this channel has the estimated earning of $429 to $1K, all creating these 3D animation, right? Stories, short stories. You can see them with packing a lot of views. And I'm going to show you how to create this kind of 3D animation videos that you can now use for your YouTube channel. The first thing to do is to come to ChatGPT, right? And you can be creative about how you want your stories. You can maybe think about a story in your head, or you can just write ChatGPT to give you different story examples. So for example, this is the prompt. Write me a very short story script of two friends who were good but fought because of a girl. Make sure they are 3D pixels art style. So this was what ChatGPT gave me. You can see it. This is the character. These are the three characters here, and Leo, Mason, and Mira, right? So this is the scene. This is scene 1. Come down here, you see scene 2. This is scene 3. Now all the way down, when you come down, you're going to see that ChatGPT is going to tell you if you want, I can now create the pixel style image prompt for each scene, right? Or a 60-second voiceover variation for YouTube Shorts. Now what you're going to do is that it's going to create two of these things, like two of them. So the first is, I'm not going to tell him to, let me just copy this. This is exactly what you're going to also do, and then paste it here, and then let's tap on go. So you can see it has given us all the prompts. So let me show you how you're going to copy these prompts right now. So the first thing you're going to do is to come for Leo. You get Leo here. You just copy a 17-year-old, bring it down here, copy all of this, copy it, and I want you to take it to this website called Wix, right? You can see I use this Wix a lot, right? So just WHISK, just type WHISK on your search bar, right? Chrome, it's going to take you to this platform, right? It's a Google platform. So what we're going to do is now we're going to paste what we copied, right? Just copy this and paste it, and then this is what you're going to also do. Go back again after pasting that first prompt. Go back again to ChatGPT, go back again, and then come down to this art style, right? Come down to this art style, copy the whole art style and take it back to the Wix, right? Take it back here and then paste it, right? So what you're going to do is now just tap on enter, and let's see what's going to give us. Now you can use any other image generation platform, right, to do this. So you can see this is what it gives us. It gives us two, right? You can see it two output. So we're going to do that again with the same other characters. So let's go to Mason. Let's copy Mason, copy it, take it to Wix, and just come here to this style, go this art style, so that you'll not be copying the art style also. So let's just copy this whole, so that we can just paste, and then still have the art style that we copied. So just press enter, and then let's see. So you can see this is Mason. You can see with a dreadlock, right? So I've gotten the one of the girl, right? So now what we're going to do next is this. Now we're going to come down, you're going to see that it has given us the this scene, right? This is a prompt for the scene. So this is the first thing that is going to be happening, right? So a beautiful moment before perfect. So what we're going to do is now to just copy here, right? Just copy here, this whole thing, copy it, and we're going to take it back to the Wix, right? Let's it create for us the scene, right? So paste it and then go. Subscribe to the channel if you're getting value from this video, like the video, right, and share with your friends. So you can see it gave us this wonderful scene. You can see this, right, this or this, because it's giving me two options, right, I can pick from. All right, so all we're going to do is just to hover here and then download it with this icon, right? This downloading icon, right? So you can download all the images. So we're going to continue. We'll come down here to copy the next script, right? So we're going to copy the next script, copy, take it back, come here to this short art here, all of this, and then paste and then go. So we're going to do the same. This is how we're going to do all of it, right? Copy the whole scene prompt, take it here. We're going to do this for all, right? Just take your time and do this in well, so you're going to get all the scene prompts, right? All the images that you need. So let me show you something. You can see this argument, this scene 4, right? Argument. Let me show you something. Let me show you a trick. You can, if you notice, they've grown here, right? they've grown here. They're not looking small again, and even though it's not giving us the consistency, right, with the face and stuff, but at least let the age not just grow like that together, so it's not going to look somehow. You can see here they are young, here too they are young. You can see here too they are young, right? So what you can do is, you can see this, you can see the friendship breaks. Now come to this Leo. You see, when you come to this Leo here, just come to this Leo. Now go back to the specification of Leo, right? Let's go back up to the specification of Leo. You can see Leo, 17-year-old. So you're going to copy this specification of Leo, copy it, take it back here in front of Leo, just paste in front of Leo. Now you're going to come back to Mason, right? You can see Mason here. So we're going to go back to Mason, the specification of Mason, right? Copy it, copy, and then take it back, and then in front of Mason we're going to paste it. Good. So now we're going to regenerate the image, and let's see what it gives us. So you can see at least it has given us the consistency with the dreadlock. You can see, you can remember that Mason, I guess, right, had dreadlocks then. So you can see here. So when you're creating this prompt and you have to, and the two characters are there, always take the specification in front of their name, right, and then paste it there, and you're going to get the consistency. Even though sometimes it might not give you like accurate consistency, but at least the mind and people that are watching it will know that this is this person you're talking about and this person you're talking about. So we're just going to do everything and then download all the images, right? The next thing you have to do is to come to ChatGPT, right, and then tell it to write you a 60 seconds voiceover for YouTube Shorts, right? So you just copy this and then you can now paste it here. Just paste it here and then just type on go. So let's see. So it has written the script, right? This is just the 60-second script, right? So you can do this for a long script, right? You can do this for a long script. So what you're going to do is just to copy this whole script, because this is the script that you're going to use for the voiceover, right? For the particular storyline, right? So you can just copy this. I'm just using this as a tutorial, right? So I'm making it short. So what you're going to do is to go to this website to get your voiceovers, or you can talk to me. I have a voiceover artist, right, that she does my voiceovers for my automated YouTube channels. So the name of this platform is Clipchamp, right? Clipchamp.com, right? So when you come to clipchamp.com, all you have to do is just to sign in, right? So what you're going to do is just to, let's continue with Microsoft. Now I'm going to continue with my account. So you can do it and just register, sign up, right? This way you're going to get free access to voiceovers, right, that you can use at least for a startup. Now this is the interface, right, of the Clipchamp. So what you're going to do is to come here to this record, right? You can see this record and create. Just tap on it. And what you're going to do is to scroll down, right? Come down, then come to this text to speech, right? You now tap on it. These options appears for you. Now what you can do is to double is to check which of this voice you like, right? So you can come here to this voiceovers, right? I prefer this Christopher voice, so you can just hear it.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
Good. So you can try other names, like other voices, right? But I prefer this is my best. So what you're going to do is to come down to this text here, and then you're now going to paste the text that you copied, right? And then what you're going to do is to preview. Let's preview it and see what it gives us. So this is what it gives us.
Leo and Mason were more than friends. They were brothers. Every evening they sat on the same hill, laughing about life, swearing that nothing would ever break them. But then she showed up. Mirror. Kind smile, warm eyes.
Good. So you can see this is the voiceover, right? So what you're going to do is just tap on this save, right, and it's automatically going to save here. So let's wait for it to save. So
Leo and Mason were more than
right? So you can see it has saved here. So what you're going to do is to come to this export, right? Tap on the button export and then come down here to audio only, because we just need the audio. And let's tap on it and it's going to export only the audio. So we can now name it, but let's just leave it this way, untitled video. So that's automatically downloaded. So what you're going to do is come to CapCut, right? So you're going to edit the videos in CapCut. Now I have a full tutorial on how to edit videos with CapCut, right? Link is going to be on the description of this video, right? So what you're going to do now is to draw this audio, right, to CapCut, right? So draw it here to CapCut and we keep it here. So you can see it's already
Leo and Mason were more than friends.
So let's go back to go and get all the materials that we've downloaded, right, that we've created. Come back to our Wix, and these are all the images that we downloaded, right, that we created rather. So we're going to download them one by one based on the storyline. This is how you're going to do it. So what I'm going to do is go to this download, right, and then download. So you just do the same thing with your own materials, right? So just follow the script, right, the first scene, arrange it well, right, do it very well. So that is the thing. So let's play it and see.
Leo and Mason were more than friends. They were brothers.
So we can just draw this and then tap on this and then draw it like this.
Every evening they sat on the same hill, laughing about life.
Right, so you can draw this. So another thing you can do is to just make the first this image, right? You can make it to be a video, right, so that to capture the audience like attention, right? So what we're going to do is this. We're going to go to Google Gemini, right? Google Gemini, and then we're going to go to these tools and then change it to video. So we're going to do new chat. Then we're going to upload the first scene we downloaded, right? Going to upload the first scene we downloaded, and then the next thing we're going to do is just to give it a prompt. For some weird reasons, I don't know why, what is wrong with Google Gemini, right? It's not just taking my picture. So what I'm going to do is use another platform called Flow, right? Let me look for Flow, right? Flow is another platform, part of Google tools, right? So just tap Flow. It's going to bring you to this platform on your search bar, search Flow, and this is what you're also going to use to create that create the video. So what we're going to do is to come to this. Let's just put on get started. Let's tap on get started, and then we're going to come to this place here and then come to this ingredients to video, right? So I'm now going to come down to this plus here, tap on this plus, and I'm now going to come here to this upload, and we're going to upload our picture, right? This is our picture, right? So we're going to upload it and then open. So it's going to load. So we're going to now select yes, crop and save, because we want it in this landscape. So sometimes you're going to be getting challenges like what you're seeing, right? So just be patient and be trying most of these other platforms. If you know of most of the tools, just keep on trying different tools, right, to get the result you want. So because there's a lot of traffic with these platforms, and that is one of the things that makes them slow, right? So let's just wait and see. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends if you're getting value from it. For some weird reasons, even this particular platform, it still belongs to Google, right? It's not taking the image, right, so that it's going to make us a video. But during your own time, let's say probably the traffic is going to be less, you can try it, and you see you couldn't upload, please try again later. I guess it has a bug, right? Maybe Google is having an issue. So during your own time, you can actually just make it a video, maybe the first scene a video, right, just to hook your audience, right? But that is just the whole concept. So that is how you create this animated animated videos, right, for YouTube. So all you're going to do is just to keep on drawing the image, right, and be adding them based on the script, right? Just organize it well and then just export it. You can do this on your mobile phone. The complete video on how to use CapCut to edit this is going to be on the description of this video. Now let's say for instance you're finished editing, right? If you're finished editing your video and you're looking for music that doesn't have copyrights, right, songs or copyrights to it, you can come to this platform called musiccreator.ai, right? This musiccreator.ai is where you're going to create beautiful music. So you can see something like this. So all you're going to do is just based on, now let's do something. Let's go to ChatGPT and then let's do something. Now come to ChatGPT and just write me a music prompt that will fit this story. I will copy the prompt and paste it in an AI music generator, right? So what you're going to do is now to just tap on enter, and it's going to write us a very short prompt that we're going to copy and paste it in that music creator, right? So it's going to create for us a music that's going to suit, right? It's going to suit the whole story. So what we're going to do now is now just copy this. We're going to copy this, copy, and then we're going to take it to the music generator, right? So we're just going to paste it here. We're going to paste it, paste, and then what we're going to do is now to come down, just instrumental. So we just want it to be instrumental, so just tap on instrument. We don't want lyrics because it can literally generate a song for you. So just tap on create music, right? So we're going to wait for it. You can see it's going to generate music that's going to suit that whole story, right? So it has generated the music for us. So let's play it and see. Let's see where it's going to go. Nice. Let's play this other one. Okay. So now let's say if you want this particular one, what you're going to do is just come here to this download, right? Just tap on it and then you're going to download the MP3. But okay, let's tap on here. No, let's just tap on here. Good. Let's wait for the MP3 to finish loading for us to download. So good. So you can see it here. So we're just going to use this MP3 and it's going to download for us, right? The MP3. So let's see if it says downloaded. It hasn't downloaded yet, but it's going to literally download the MP3. Let's tap on it again. Good. Okay, so it has downloaded the MP3. See it here. So what we're going to do is to copy it and then bring it to our editing canvas and then paste it, and it's going to be ready for us, right? The music is ready for us, generated. And
Leo and Mason were more than friends. They were brothers. Every evening they sat on the same hill, laughing about life.
Good. So that is the whole. I hope you got value from this video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, right, if you have not subscribed, and share the video with friends. See you in the next one.